Hello, it's been a little while since my last video. So those of you that are following me, I am documenting my surprise pregnancy after a mommy makeover. I had had a full tummy tuck with a internal corset. My third baby had given me a little bit of diastasis that separated my upper abdominals. Not a complete tear, but just separated them. So they reinforced those abdominal muscles to kind of bring them back together. And I had some lipo and a breast augmentation. I had had no lift, just a new implants put in. So anyway, this is my fourth pregnancy. It was a surprise. I have 3 girls and now this is a boy, so it's a good surprise. So 21 weeks and 2 days today, and this has by far been the easiest pregnancy. So it's been a really nice surprise in that it's not been difficult. I've gained about 8 pounds. I'll show you what I look like right now. So here's 21 weeks. So from the side there, front, and other side, so you can see I'm like a little bit thicker here, but everything's looking good, measuring well. Of course, I don't really have a bump yet, and again, I think that's because they did that internal corset, so my abs are just really strong. He's actually measuring in the 91st percentile, so he's growing fine. I'm just not popped out yet. He's growing up, actually laying across this way. So, you know, a lot of people would, you know, sometimes there's a lot of body shaming when it comes to women in their pregnancies if their bump's not big enough or it's too small or too big. You know, everybody's body is different. I'm 5'7", and I carry a little bit more posterior, and so I don't always show till a little bit later, and then especially now my abs are extra strong. I have been working with a trainer and she knows I'm pregnant, so we are modifying a lot of exercises, but you know, there's a lot of women that just they're perfectly normal and healthy. They just don't show that bump as early. So it's not dangerous that I'm having a pregnancy after a tummy tuck. Obviously, I'm hoping that I don't get diastasis again this time. And I am watching, you know, making sure I don't gain too much weight. I'm just basically eating what I want. So I'm actually a little bit surprised I've only gained 8 pounds. So it's a good surprise there too. So, all is well, 21 weeks, like I said, in my, see, that makes me 5 months pregnant, and I'm feeling great, so I will keep documenting so people can see what happens to your body after a tummy tuck with a surprise pregnancy. So far, so good. I'm hoping everything continues as easily as it has, no issues whatsoever. And I plan on, you know, doing a lot of ab exercises after, just to kind of help preserve where I am. So again, I'll show you one more time. So here we are. The belly button probably will get a little weird since it's an artificial one. And then there is my side profile and side profile. So this is, even though it's not rounded, I'm thick. Normally I'm about like this, so it's just a thicker waist. So there we are at 21 weeks. I have also been taking a lot of my plexus supplements. I'll show you what I am taking. So I really like these. The X Factor Plus is the vitamin I take, and I also, as many of you know, during pregnancy, your progesterone increases, and so that causes a lot of constipation issues in a lot of women. And so I take BioCleanse. So this is just kind of a detox and has some vitamin C and magnesium in it to kind of help with those kind of issues that you get from pregnancy. So I will, and I also, I have one more, I have a probiotic. So probiotic 5. I take also before bed. I think that's helping to regulate my blood sugar and helping my metabolism out with all of this. So if anyone's interested in wanting to look at those vitamins, I will include the link in the comment below. Again, talk to your doctor if those are right for you. That's what I'm taking. And so far, so good. I think my metabolism's holding. So I will update in a few more weeks. If you have any questions, let me know.